Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taste testing some Japanese snack foods that I got from H Mart a couple weeks ago. So let's jump right into it. The first thing that I'm going to try are these shrimp chips. You can see. I thought they looked pretty interesting. Like I like shrimp, but I never tried it in a chip. So yeah, let me go ahead and open it and see how it tastes. Oh my gosh, this smells like fish food. Oh no, what did I get myself into? Look at this, how it looks. Looks like they tried to make it look like an imitation. Like an imitation shrimp or something. But yeah, let's give it a try. This actually tastes really good. They smell like fish food, but they taste good. It tastes like they basically just crisped up some rice flour for like that crunch, and then like poured a packet of ramen, the shrimp ramen seasoning packet over it. So it tastes good. I will eat you. Yeah, these are actually really good. Okay. Oh, they're good. What's the next thing I'm gonna try? Okay, so I like seafood. I have shrimp, so I have to get crab. So these are crab chips by the same company. Yeah, so I'm gonna try these next. Hopefully the flavors don't intermingle. Why is it so hard to open? Okay. These don't really have a smell. I can't really smell them like I could the shrimp. This is how the chip looks. It doesn't look well seasoned. Okay, I'll give this to him. I'll give it to him. But when you first put it in your mouth, you don't really get that crab flavor. But the more you chew it, the more the crab flavor comes out. It tastes like crab with butter toast. So it tastes actually really good. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. I chose things that I thought I would like, so yeah. Alright, the next thing I'm gonna try is a Japanese candy. I can't read what it says, of course, but it's pink and it looks like it might be like some type of sour candy with a cream filling or something. So let's give it a try. Okay, I had to open it ugly. All right. Still good. I thought it was like, because it was pink, it would have been like strawberry flavored or lychee flavored. But it tastes like some kind of root, like, or like cinnamon and like a pear, like cinnamon and pear fruit. And then the center of it, it's actually chewy, like the whole candy. Oh my god. Hold up. That is fucking sour, yo. Oh my god. I'm about to cry. Oh. No. I should have known by her face. Oh my gosh. That's a no from me, coach. Heck no. It's so deceiving. It's still sour. Oh my god. No. It tastes like I said, cinnamon and pear. And then when you bite into it, I can't even like really describe. Like, it's a lot of citric acid in that. That was just out of control, way out of control. So the next thing I'm gonna try is this drink. It has a pear on it, so I'm thinking hopefully it's safe. But after that last candy, I don't know. I need something to wash it down with though. I'm about to go get some ice in a cup and I'm gonna try this. Okay, I also grabbed a can of soda that I actually like, just in case like this does not do it for me. So we'll go ahead and open it. Ooh, it's lumpy. Look at that. Do you see that? Ugh, what is that? Why is it lumpy? Oh my gosh. What is this? Ooh, it smells really good though. It smells good. Hold up. This might be good. Okay, I see what they were trying to do, but like the texture of the gel, like I don't see the point of them putting that gel stuff in there. It's not like the aloe vera gel drink, because I like the aloe vera drink, but this one is like gloopy and I mean, it's good, but I could live without that gloopiness. Probably would not pick that up again. Woo. Oh, what y'all got me on here doing? Okay, so the next thing I'm going to try are these. It's called milk ether? Yeah. So I'm gonna try these. Please don't be like the last candy. Please don't be like the last. Oh, hold up, it's a honeydew shake candy. I love honeydew melon. I never would have thought to match honeydew melon with milk, but this works. It's a little chewy, but it tastes just like honeydew flavor. Like, it tastes like honeydew. It kind of reminds me of like the banana Laffy Taffy, but not as banana-y. But yeah, this one is actually really good. We'll get it again. Okay. Try this. I don't know what the name of it is, but it looks like some fizzy candy type of deal. They got the different flavors down there. I got it because it had cantaloupe, and I also like cantaloupe a lot. But let's see, which one looks good? This is how the packaging, but it looks. Lemon and grape. Lemon and grape again. Wait. Okay, so I'm noticing that the packaging on two of the same flavors is kind of different. And this one they colored the lemon and this one they didn't. I don't know if that makes a difference or not, but that's kind of interesting. Ugh, I don't know which one I want to try. Oh, it is like, even though it's the same candy. Wait, no. Yeah, it's the same candy. I'm gonna try the cantaloupe one. It looked like cantaloupe, kiwi, and banana. So let's see how this tastes. Ooh. It's like two-tone. First of all, it's hard. It's a hard candy. It's fizzy. Like, if you ever had those emergency packets, it tastes like they just like poured banana flavor emergency over a hard candy. Bad, but it's not good. It's not like I just can't eat it. Like, it's fizzy, has a weird banana flavor. Like, I just Give me something to wash it down. Whew. Okay, so this one I actually tried already, but I'm gonna just try it on camera. It's a lychee candy. Yeah, it's a lychee candy. I remember it tasting good, so yeah. It's a safe not like the rest of these where it looked one way and then surprises you with some unmentionable flavor. So I mean, I wouldn't exactly reach for it again. It's not like the type where you just want to eat it all the time. It's like one of those candies that your grandma might have in her like little candy dish on the table and be like, okay, like something to put in my mouth and whatever. So the only ones I would get again out of this whole pack is the honeydew melon, the crab, and the shrimp chips. Those are the only ones I would do again. The rest of these, y'all can keep it. Y'all out here catfishing people with the packaging. I thought these was gonna be bomb. I thought these was gonna be like, okay, like I like sour candy, you know, I want to try something new. And really, it tastes like cinnamon, like a cinnamon root and pear. Like, what is that? And it was sour as fuck, so I couldn't do it. And these two, I thought these was gonna be good. But I guess I didn't look at the packaging too good, because it does have like that little, it looks like bubbly stuff on it. So maybe that was their indication, like, oh, this is gonna be like a fizzy candy. But it does not taste good. Maybe I should have tried a different flavor, but that banana was so off-putting. Like, no, I don't get it. Like, who developed that in the taste lab? But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and you share and subscribe for more weekly content. All right, and don't forget to feed me.